This man can one day call him brother. And brother say, hey, brother, now good news? Brother say, no, there's not a good news, you, brother. Now mayor, I don't kill. Now. Look blood there by me. And brother say, brother, one will mayor na he kill? Say, anything would you do? Loud do than brother? Me, I don't kill mayor. And brother say, hey, then now one will talk in business. Now we all go to that problem. Say, but brother, not to you killer, na me killer. Say, you? Say, brother, not to you killer. Give me the knife. The knife will kill wood. And that close way blood dip and pull down the, let me wear down the lago. Let show me who say lady dead body. Brother say, brother, you know what did they talk? Say, no, you not deserve this jail. Now me they go for this prison. Now brother, would they between me and you two, brother? Now brother, would they between me and you? Now you call me BA from one mommy, one daddy. If that ain't true, not to you to go for this jail. Let me to go. Say, brother, if they do this, not to you killer. Na me killer. Na me for go for the prison. Say, brother, what are they tell you no more? Take care of me woman. And small picking them, and we big brother. But this jail, na me they go for him. Not to you they go for at all. Brother say, what are they tell you? Say, brother, jail difficult. If you enter a prison, it hard. Say, brother, only what me they tell you, just give me the knife and pull the clothes. Let me go. Me they go for the jail. I they go for the prison. In brother pull clothes. In gear, they remember the time where they be small. They remember. It means brotherhood. Although right now, problem they between them. Yeah, half of problem they between them. Then they fight, then they meet up that way. But this video now lesson it one for sure to everybody. Say your brother na your brother. No neglect your brother for money business. No neglect her because of woman. No neglect her for anything. Say this jail, brother. Now me they go. Now go don't go so. If they go now outside the dead body day, in the go team up day, let the soldier man they can, let the authority come meet and they like na kill. Now they go so. No neglect your brother for your wife. No neglect her for your picking. No neglect her for your money. No neglect her for anything. In brother Falara, because this particular video, na lesson, na for watch until you see the ending. He come na the place who say in brother tell and say intro the dead body. He can't take, he can't see, he don't cut the leaf, then he put on the dead body. Can watch. Indeed, something die one day, the baby blood there around. He can take, can close. He want make sure say yes. Now the mayor baby brother kill. Now he watch. Now sheep. But what the brother don't do me so? What did he try for tell me? Now sheep there. Or a mistake, I don't know who say in left the dead body. But now he tell me, baby, in brother Biana, never watch. Now this pan Indian logic, where you go lodge complain, say me brother need to be top. He tell and say, now for pass to everybody, where you think say, in Lekki you pass your brother, go tell everybody, say, I don't kill mayor. Let's see, would I go guarantee? Let's see, would I go team up before you? In brother come nearer. Take and reach nearer. Then he apologized to her. Say, brother, me and you to know the meet up. I've been going lodge complaint to that pa. That pa ain't give me this logic. Not a motorman I kill. I no go ever kill motorman. Na sheep I kill. Na that blood I rub and the clothes I hold the knife. No more la no. What is the difference between me and between me brother and other people then? I don't pass to all my good friends. Then anybody who go to the run before me, anybody who go to the run before me, what tell us I don't kill mayor. They not even investigate. But why go to you, brother? You say you they go to the jail for me on crime. Anything what I don't do you inside, brother would forgive me. Be your person need neglect in brother for other person. Forgive me, please. In brother say, brother, you no do me nothing. You no do me nothing. Just you back forgive me. Allahu Akbar. Share this video.